This video is going to be a little bit different. So I'm starting with $100 and I'm going to use only 100x leverage on one of the exchanges, in this case MEXC, to try to trade and see how long I will last. None of this is of course financial advice, because probably I will lose all the money. You already probably know the result if you go to the end of the video. However, I'm still only starting, so let's see. My idea here is that I will go after a bunch of meme coins where I can use leverage on perps, on MEXC, and basically trying to see what I can do. I'll be going after meme coins basically because I want to have this kind of volatility, so that to make everything go much faster. Basically, doing leverage on 100x means that if you put $1, MEXC is putting the $99 for you. So you're playing like with $100 if you put in $1. But the problem with that is that if something goes down 1%, then basically you totally wrecked and your position is liquidated, so you can lose your money pretty quickly. It's super fast and probably it will go very fast. So this is PEPE. So I'll try to guess what will happen. Of course, nothing here is advice. As you can see, I will be opening either longs or shorts, depending on how it moves. Basically looking at 1 minute charts, and yeah, I want to open a long for that and see what it will happen. You can see the variation right away here, and it will be pretty substantial. So I have entered the position. I have the long right now because the position looks good for maybe a little bit move up from here, and we'll see how it goes. So this is not live, but I might do a live like that if it will go well. We're going to see what will happen, and well, how fast I will lose the money or not. In the meantime, I can also look at other positions, other coins, especially if you can see all the hot coins being here right now, and most of that are different kind of meme coins, especially LAD, Simpson. You have also Monk here. There are really many meme coins available here on MEXC, and this is what MEXC is specializing right now. They released a lot of new coins, so you can see dot here. Okay, so far so good, but of course this is a risky position, and we'll see what will happen. So in the meantime, I can observe that position here, but I might in the meantime look for another good entry. So let's see ladies chart and see what's happening here. There's a little bit. So what I'm looking basically is that coins that have basically this kind of pullback in a moment, and maybe they're doing something right now. Seems like ladies are trying to break down as well, but there might be a move down. So let me go maybe with something more obvious. Let's see Simpson and how it performs. Again, okay, this is definitely less liquid, as you can see with those kind of jumps. I'm going to go after maybe Kava or Render. Let's see those. Yeah, those a pullback here for the price, and it looks like that in general. Yeah, this was already a couple of minutes. Let me look at Render as well and see what's happening there with Render. Okay, so Render is on the move out, but I don't know what the ceiling might be. So again, I'm not comfortable entering the position here. Going back to PEPE, let's see what's happening. Okay, for now it's 0. So basically it oscillates around the price I entered, so nothing interesting here. Okay, let's spice up things a little bit. I probably will increase my long, looking at the price action. I will probably increase this is for the past couple of hours. Yeah, I probably will increase my long here on PEPE. Actually, that might be smart. If it goes down a little bit, also not to get liquidated. So my liquidation price is 63, which is still below the bottom here. If I add to the position, then basically this will mean that my liquidation price will go up. and that's also even more risky because for now I have played only with half of the capital. So even though I have 100 USDT here, I put only 50 USDT or around 50 USDT, and the rest is the margin for the position. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, a little bit move up. It might be boring in the end. So like, seemingly, it's even though it's looking at the chart, especially in the market like that, it's not so volatile. So I might have to do some cuts in the video and just show you the position, or I might, let's see whether we're basically waiting here either for the breakout or maybe there will be a move down. Then I will just close the position with the loss. So let's see what will go next. Yeah, nothing really happening. So this won't be as super interesting. Yeah, maybe if I were doing that live, that would be more interesting because you could comment something. So far, this isn't the most interesting video in the world, but there are different things you can look at, definitely. Also, the cool stuff is that even though I don't think technical analysis works in a like the strict way, there's no science to that because otherwise machine learning would already solve that, but it's definitely useful to have some kind of tools behind your intuition as well. So actually trying to look at, for example, the volume, things like Bollinger Bands or like a bunch of other indicators might make sense because that might give you like a better understanding of where the price action might go in the end. So you can see that we have a small plus here, but I don't even want to close the position because basically there are still some fees to be paid on opening long, so this wouldn't probably even be that profitable in the end. Yep, up and down, up and down. Nothing really interesting is happening. So this is either I probably can let's see what other coins are doing at the same time, because so we probably could see that render was going up quite a lot, right? Maybe that was a point. Yeah, it's going a little bit down now after 10% change. This was like, yeah, there was a huge movement here. And then it's going down. Other things, let's go to ladies as well and see what's happening there. Yeah, so this is a little bit, again, going a little bit down. So going back to PEPE, let's see what's happening. Okay, we're seeing some action. Okay, so now I could basically close the position and get that small uptick and catch the move to just show you how much. Yeah. Okay, so I have the position history. I have the fee. P&L is $15, so altogether I have 115. Okay. So this is basically it for opening the long with 100x. Basically, this is not an advice. This is the easiest way to lose all your money, and it might be though fun. Definitely not the financial advice. So definitely, if you want to get into that, understand what you're doing, how it works. Play with very small amounts first, because this is important to understand. If you want to catch the moves, it's better to play with smaller coins so that you have faster moves up and down this way, because you still will have to look at the chart all the time. Even though if you're playing 100x on like Bitcoin or if you want to have the control, of course you could put different TPSL, so stop losses or take profits, but maybe that will make your position less valuable in the end. So I prefer to control everything if I'm playing on this kind of leverage. So let me know in the comments what you think about videos like that. I think like this should definitely be alive, and this way we could have a conversation of what to do and where those kind of positions are going. But definitely 100x is a real challenge to play at. There are many people on Twitter that you see they're winning quite a lot, but they don't show you their losses, and those are substantial. So you shouldn't expect that with especially 100x you will win everything, but it makes sense to have like couple of percent. Basically the idea is that you don't want to risk more than 5%. This is Kelly's criterion of your total net worth, because otherwise you're getting wrecked quite quickly. And even though you're playing with 100x, you still can still have it if you just have either stop losses or you just control how the price is moving, and even if you're getting liquidated, it's getting liquidated on a small amount. So having said that, I probably will start doing those kind of challenges with 100x across different exchanges and across different kind of market conditions. MEXC is cool for that because they have all the meme coins, they have all the volatile coins, so it's a good way to start. But of course, there are other exchanges as well doing pretty cool stuff. So thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel for more, and let me know in the comments what you think. Subscribe, see you in the next video.